Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to add domains to the Allowlist in Google Workspace. Whether you're a small business owner or an IT manager, knowing how to manage your email security settings is crucial for ensuring smooth and secure communication. By adding trusted domains to your Allowlist, you can prevent emails from these domains from being mistakenly marked as spam. Let's dive into the step-by-step process together. First, navigate to Google Workspace, as this is where all the setup begins. Once you're there, look for the Admin Console. This is your central hub for managing various settings related to your organization's Google services. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so using your business email credentials. Once logged in, focus on the top right corner of the screen to find the Google Apps menu. This menu provides access to all the Google services available to your account. Click on this menu and select the admin icon, represented by a gear symbol, which indicates settings and control. Next, head over to the account section, where all the organizational settings are located. Here, you'll find options related to managing your domains. Click on the Domain section to move closer to our objective. Within this section, look for the Allow Listed Domains option. Entering this area allows you to add domains you trust, ensuring their emails aren't mistakenly categorized as unsolicited mail. After clicking on Allow Listed Domains, you'll see an option to Add Domain. Click on this, and you'll be prompted to input the domain you wish to allow list. Carefully type in the domain name you want to allow list, as any typos could lead to incorrect configurations and emails still being misclassified. After entering the desired domain, proceed by clicking the Add button to confirm your decision. The final step is to click on Save. This action finalizes all the adjustments you've made and applies them to your workspace settings. And there you have it. You've successfully added a domain to your Allow list in Google Workspace. By doing this, you've not only improved the efficiency of your email system, but also ensured a smoother communication flow within your organization. Remember, regularly reviewing your Allow list can help maintain optimal email security. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful.